Alright, tempera plus, tempera trend. See, one button, 3 buttons. Okay, what happened with ours was we ordered this. In the box was this. So I ordered another, and the right one came. When you look inside, if you're curious what the difference is. Okay, so we both have the hot and cold. Hot and cold. But you see, this actually has another valve right there. Looks like same ribbon cable. There's a tempera or trend, whatever, versus the plus on the bottom.